Presented by Listen Headlines. Latest financial news from trusted sources. Updating daily noontime New York City.
BBC News Business.
December 30th. 10:12 America, New York. Trump's tax returns released after years-long effort. The former president had long sought to keep his records from being seen by the public.
New York Times Business.
December 30th. 9:14 America, New York. Trump tax returns released by House Democrats. The publication of former President Donald J. Trump's private tax documents comes amid questions about why the IRS failed to fully audit him during his presidency. Former President Donald J.
Daily FX Market News.
December 30th, 8:30 America, New York. How Forex traders use ISM data. Forex traders closely watch ISM monthly manufacturing reports. Learn to trade using ISM data.
New York Times Business. December 30th. 7:39 America, New York. Dealmaking thrived in 2022, then hit a road bump. Mergers and acquisitions activity plunged in the second half of the year, but there are signs that it could pick up again in 2023. Microsoft's $69 billion bid for the video game company Activision Blizzard was the year's biggest deal.
Global economy.
December 30th. 7:36 America, New York. Harland and Wolff slashes full-year revenue guidance. Shares slide as owner of historic Belfast shipyard hit by supply chain constraints and inflationary pressures.
Marginal Revolution.
December 30th, 7:22 America, New York. What to watch, Holiday Edition 2022. Glass Onion is a con job. It temporarily fools the viewer into thinking it original and clever, and yet it is actually derivative and dumb. The ending left me bitter. Global economy.
December 30th. 7:13 America, New York. Spanish inflation slows more than expected to 5.8%. Figure raises hopes of sharp falls in price pressures across the Eurozone.
Daily FX Market News.
December 30th. 7 o'clock America, New York. Copper trading. Copper trading tips and strategies. Copper may not be the world's most popular metal, but it certainly is one of the more important.
Wall Street Journal U.S. Business.
December 30th, 7 o'clock America, New York. Retiring Fed president challenged the consensus inside central bank. Kansas City's Esther George is leaving next month after 40 years at the regional Fed bank. Global economy.
December 30th. 6:32 America, New York. Global stocks set to post worst year since 2008 financial crisis. Central bank rate rises send equities prices tumbling almost 20% while also knocking bonds.
BBC News Business.
December 30th. 6:05 America, New York. York records strongest house price rises in 2022. Prices in the historic North Yorkshire city surged by 23.1%, or £69,648, the Halifax Bank finds.
New York Times Business.
December 30th. 5:40 America, New York. With only dozens of cancellations on Friday, Southwest steps closer to normal. Barring last-minute problems, the airline was poised to return to its usual schedule, but challenges remain. A Southwest Airlines plane taxiing before taking off at Denver International Airport on Thursday.
Wall Street Journal U.S. Business.
December 30th. 5:30 America, New York. As infrastructure windfall approaches, transit agencies grapple with how to spend it. The authorities must balance the need to repair with demands to expand service, while ensuring an infusion of federal dollars doesn't go to waste.
Wall Street Journal U.S. Business.
December 30th. 5:30 America, New York. Small businesses find some relief from hiring woes. More entrepreneurs say it is getting easier, not harder, to find workers after adopting pay increases and other measures to attract talent.
BBC News Business.
December 30th. 5:30 America, New York. Hershey sued in U.S. over metal in dark chocolate claim. The lawsuit alleges that 3 Hershey products contain harmful levels of lead and cadmium. Daily FX Market News.
December 30th, 5:15 America, New York. GBP forecast, pound pressure despite UK housing prices beat. GBP USD extends its sideways price movement but could break out with next week's U.S. economic data.
Marginal Revolution.
December 30th, 2:57 America, New York. The future of public transit? Another indicator that #WFH is permanent. public transit journeys stabilizing at 35% below 2019 levels. This raises concerns over the survival of public transit systems.
Marginal revolution.
December 30th. 033 America New York, the return of economic orthodoxy. That is the theme of my latest Bloomberg column. Here is one excerpt. This year has turned out to be a very good one for classical and traditional approaches to economics.